When working with parts that are close in size to the access limits of your machine, it is possible to manipulate a plane so that the feature can fit within the machine's cutting range. For example, this is a rather large, square part, slightly over 21 inches or 535 millimeters. This table machine has travel limits of 20 inches or roughly 500 millimeters in Y and 30 inches or approximately 760 millimeters in X. The drilled holes and internal form will fit within the axis limits the way it sits. However, if machining is done on the outer profile or even the outer chamfers, an overtravel will occur in the y-axis when machining the front and back sides, since we are trying to reach a distance that exceeds our machine's y-axis limit. A possible solution is to create a new top plane which will rotate the part 90 degrees on the machine, and those features which could not be reached in the original top plane could be reached in this new rotated plane. In this example, I can duplicate the original top plane and then rotate this new plane 90 degrees about the z-axis. Now when creating a toolpath, if I select the features on the left and right sides, the top plane will be used for the T and C planes. For the front and back edges, the toolpath will be created with the new top rotated plane for the T and C planes. The effect of the new plane can be seen in a machine sim. With both new ops selected, the cutting starts with positioning moves in X and Y to cut the right and left sides. No overtravel errors are generated. The machine then indexes 90 degrees in the C-axis and cuts what was the front and back sides in the left and right orientation. No overtravel errors are generated this time. The effect can also be seen in the generated G-code. The code starts with rotation calls of B0 and C0, and then cutting motion, and then a call of B0 and C90 and cutting motion. The 90-degree rotation is generated by the rotated plane created. You are not limited to 90-degree rotations of the original plane. You can choose any angle to suit your part. This feature can also be used for more than just machining features which will not fit into a particular axis. Another common use is rotation of the plane so cutting can easily be viewed on the machine. For example, instead of cutting a feature on the back face of the part, which may be hard to see, creating a plane that is rotated 180 degrees about Z could position this part in a much more operator-friendly viewing position.